Check out how the Taipei 101 skyscraper survived a massive earthquake thanks to an ingenious invention, a giant pendulum weighing a whopping 660 tons. Standing tall as the 11th tallest skyscraper globally, Taipei 101 owes its survival to a remarkable feat of engineering. Nestled between its 87th and 92nd floors lies a groundbreaking solution, a pendulum developed by the Fip Mec company. Renato Vitaliani, a former professor at the University of Padua specializing in civil, structural, and environmental engineering, spearheaded its testing. Vitaliani describes the pendulum as a harmonious absorber, impeccably balancing vibrations and averting the skyscraper's collapse. This ingenious invention underwent rigorous testing a decade ago, proving its prowess in mitigating seismic shocks and powerful winds. Hanging proudly atop Taipei 101 at a dizzying height of 508 meters, this colossal 660-ton pendulum, dubbed the tuned mass damper, is the largest of its kind worldwide. The Fip company has been at the forefront of producing anti-seismic devices since 1974. For Taipei 101, they devised a pendulum resembling a viscous sphere. Despite the building's sway, it triumphed over the earthquake's incredible force, explains Vitaliani. He further mentions advancements in seismic insulation, such as neoprene or double pendulum systems, which offer even greater efficacy. Operating in perfect opposition to the tower's oscillations, the pendulum significantly dampens them. Surrounding it are energy dissipators and damping systems that halt the pendulum's motion post-earthquake, safeguarding the structure from damage. This 5.5-meter diameter sphere, composed of 41 discs and supported by 8 hydraulic pumps, flawlessly counters vibrations, reminiscent of its resilience during construction amidst a magnitude 6.8 earthquake. Witness how this groundbreaking invention not only preserves the architectural marvel of Taipei 101 but also sets a new standard in seismic resilience for skyscrapers worldwide.